Hi friends, welcome back to Cartoon Vibe USA. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's count together. Number 1. 1. One sun in the sky. Number 2. 2. 2 cute puppies. Number 3. 3. 3 colorful balloons. Number 4. 4. 4 yummy cupcakes. Number 5. 5. 5 shining stars. Number 6. 6. 6 hopping frogs. Number 7. 7. 7 rainbow crayons. Number 8. 8. 8 buzzing bees. Number 9. 9. 9 bright butterflies. Number 10. 10. 10 bouncing balls. Number 11. 11. 11 tiny shells. Number 12. 12. 12 funny ducks. Number 13. 13. 13 sparkling gems. Number 14. 14. 14 pencils. Number 15. 15. 15 apples. Number 16. 16. 16 colorful fish. Number 17. 17. 17 tiny hearts. Number 18. 18. 18 building blocks. Number 19. 19. 19 leaves. Number 20. 20. 20 happy stars. Let's count together one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job! You're amazing! Thanks for watching Cartoon Vibe USA. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch more fun learning videos. Bye-bye, friends!